Assaranca Falls, which is behind me. It's one of the greatest waterfalls here in Donegal. Welcome to Éire Rider. My name is Ben. It's been a while since I've been on the road, so I'm delighted to be here. We're at Assaranca Falls, which is behind me. It's one of the greatest waterfalls here in Donegal. The weather's kind of been hit and miss, unfortunately, so I wasn't expecting any rain. They were saying probably about 10% rain, but it's more like 100%. So I'm just doing the best I can, considering the weather. But here we are, Assaranca Falls. I'm going to show you exactly how we got here. I didn't film the whole journey because it's about 2 hours to get here. So I'm going to film from the town of Ardara, which is in the west coast of Donegal. So here you go. Here's some clips and I'll see you in a sec. Yeah, so with that over with, we're going to have a look at the map now and I'll show you exactly where Assaranca Falls is in Ireland. Right, let's take a look at the map here. So we've got, we always tend to start off with Dublin on the right and then we'll work our way across. So we're on the M4 here, through Mullingar, Longford, through the N4, all the way through Carrick-on-Shannon. And then we go all the way through here, through to Sligo, along the stretch of coastline here, along the Wild Atlantic Way coastline, crossing into Donegal, Ballyshannon, cutting across this side here, Mount Charles, all the way through this section of coast, and then up here across this northern section here. So you're cutting across the countryside here of West Donegal, and then you've got the town of Ardara, and then just to the left of it there is a awesome road here, and it's on this stretch of road right there, and it is about, it's about here also, in this area here, and that is where Assaranca Falls is. Yeah, so Assaranca Falls, probably one of the greatest waterfalls here in Donegal. I've actually pushed myself today to actually make it out here because the weather's kind of been hit and miss, and unfortunately today was the only day, so I'm delighted to have made it here because it's pretty much a washout for the next couple of weeks. So this will probably be my last trip out to Donegal until next year. So I hope everyone's been keeping well. Thank you very much for following the channel, and again also my Facebook followers as well. Thanks so very much for taking an interest in the channel. So here we go. I'm going to get the drone out in a sec. We'll do a bit of filming here, and then we've got Maghera Beach, which is our next destination, and then there's another waterfall down that side. So without further ado, here we go and enjoy. We're going to get the drone footage out now. So if you're ever considering coming to the west of Donegal, this is definitely a highlight for me, and I'm glad that you were able to share it with me. And again, thanks for taking your interest in the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to help the channel out, and also click the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. So we're going to get the drone out now, and we'll see what this looks like from up there. I'll see you in a sec and we'll close off. Well, with the drone footage out of the way, this is it for this video. The next video is going to be Maghera Beach. We're going to take a wander down. The clouds are kind of in and out, so I probably won't attach the microphone to the helmet, which means that we won't do too much talking with the exception of when we stop. So again, thanks very much for watching this video. Assaranca Falls here in West Donegal, and I'm glad to have made it, and I hope you are too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.